Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about configuring the master key. So in previous videos, when we actually did a commit, so down at the bottom, clicking on tasks, and I'm going to look at the last commit that we did, we noticed that there was a warning of the default master key is configured. Please change it to a custom master key. So that's what we're going to cover in this video to get rid of this warning. So if I go to the device tab, and then on the left, down at almost at the very bottom, we're going to look at master key and diagnostics. Here we have the master key settings, so we're going to click the cog to the right. It's going to bring us into the master key configuration. So here we're going to set a master key. So the current master key is a star because it is the default. So we're going to set the new one. Notice that the new master key has to be exactly 16 characters. We're going to go ahead and set the master key for this firewall. And then we're going to set a lifetime for this master key. So the default sets it to just over 2 years at 730. So I'm just going to set that as well. And then 0 hours. And then I'm going to set my time for a reminder to 60 days. And then I'm going to say OK. And this is actually going to run to encrypt all of the keys on this firewall. So I'm going to go up here and you see there are no commit changes. I'm going to go back into my settings and I'm going to renew my settings after 720 days and 0 hours. So this is going to auto renew my master key with the same master key. So basically it's just going to reset the date. So I'm going to say OK here. And it tells me that I have a commit pending. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to cancel this out. I'm going to go down here to tasks. And I have a commit running. So it auto committed itself when I changed the master key. So that's a good note to self. So when this commit completes, we'll be able to go in there and set the auto renew settings. So now that the commit is completed, we notice that we don't have any warnings other than our interface 10 is not configured in a zone, which our loopback 10, and we already know this. So we close this out, close this. We can go back into our master key settings. We can set our renewal date to 720, say OK. And then now we can commit this final change. Okay, our commit has completed successfully, and you'll notice that we do not have the warning anymore about the default master key. So under my master key, you'll notice that it has a lifetime, it has a time for a reminder, and it has the auto renew with the same key that is less than our lifetime. So you do not want your master key to expire, because if it does, you'll have to factory reset your firewall. So we're going to keep this below. So now we have fixed the warning. You know how to set the master key. So this is a short, quick video. I hope it's been helpful, and thank you very much.